Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to send an emoji in Ludo King. So this is going to be for Android, iPhone, also the same type of process on the computer as well, as I'll be explaining. So this will be like the in-game feature. So once you're actually in the game, if you look above the person's name on the right hand side or bottom above like their profile picture, you are going to want to go ahead and click on that little present that you see there, that little box present with a bow around it. You want to click on that. Then you got the option of sending all these emojis here. You can see all of them, whatever. It's going to cost you 10 of the little gold coins for each of them. So this is like send a smiley face there. As you'll see on the bottom right, that's what the emoji is sent. So basically they'll be able to send you the emojis as well, like in game. So these are all the options. So if you want to send like a heart, like for instance, if something happens in game where you want to send them a heart or something, then you can do it like that. So leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and send an emoji in game. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see more how-to videos on the Ludo King app. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.